in the last year that I've been doing crypto, I've found that cryptocurrency is one of the fastest, most effective ways to raise money for any projects. Of course, there's like some of the meme coins, scam coins, like pump and dump crazy stuff that people raise millions and millions of dollars for, hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars, and then they just rug pull. But there are like certain fantastic projects that crypto can open up a doorway, open up a gateway to raising funds for this particular project. And in this video, we're talking about a new crypto project that's a DeFi protocol that is raising money, that is creating a system of making the world a cleaner and greener place, and more specifically in one location. I like the idea that a crypto project is focused, right? Specific on one location, on one solution. Like when you hear about a crypto project saying we're going to change the world and change, make the whole world greener, and this is how we're going. That to me is a little more like out there. I like the focus, like we are doing it in Spain, we are doing it in United States, or wherever they're doing it. And in this project, we have a new crypto project called Clean Carbon, and it's a new DeFi protocol doing just that. If you're new to this channel, my name is Aaron. I'm on a journey to my next Bitcoin while helping you to your next Bitcoin. Not your financial advisor, just got a lizard brain, just helping and talking about crypto with a whole bunch of other people and just exploring the wild west of cryptocurrency, okay? If you want to roll with me, hit the subscribe button down below. Join us with the saloon and the notification bell and the like button if you're only feeling generous. Anyway, before we get too far into this video, should know I'm compensated for this video. I mean, I literally can go on like YouTube and point out what people are compensated for, what people are being paid for, and what people aren't. Just to let you know, just super upfront, this is an interesting project for me. People pay me to review their projects, and so I honestly review them. And I'm like pretty notorious about being pretty brutal in my reviews and very honest. If like I like something, what am I gonna do? I like it. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. And so here we have Clean Carbon, and I want you to help me tear this apart. Let me just let's get to the nitty gritty about this project and whether or not this is a project for you. DeFi response to world's pollution. Okay, so the main call to action is join the Discord. You can just click here or join the thing below. Before we even get to the project or partners, here's what you should know. Like on first sight, right? I did not know what this was about. I had no idea, right? World's pollution, that's the problem they're trying to solve. I wanted to know how they solve it. And so I'm going to start off with the bad stuff, but then I'm going to go to the good stuff, right? Vegetables first and then dessert. And so Clean Carbon is a first asset-backed, community-driven DeFi project that really cleans our planet. So the key here is community-driven. So it's basically a community token, basically. But it's a DeFi project that really cleans our planet. So what does that mean, right? And then the key fact, the first one is a pilot project built in Fuerteventura. I'm sorry if I mispronounce it, right? Fully legalized, full support of local government. So all this is good, but doesn't really tell me what exactly they're doing right off the bat. Like this is so weird to me. I have to get down to here, and it's like systems, waste to energy conversion. So it's still not totally we use ultra high temperature gasification, the next gen, highly efficient waste utilization process. That's like for my little lizard brain to comprehend that, I did not know. So let me just tell you how I figured this out. I went into their white paper, and I read through this whole thing, and I learned about technical stuff that I honestly never thought I would learn about. I learned about their team, and we'll get to all of this stuff. But essentially, this was 36 pages, and let me try to summarize this all up for you. Well, you know what? The best way to do this is through an email. So I emailed them. I was still confused. I was like, what is going on? So hey, I was filming the video, and I had a question. How does DeFi directly clean the world? I don't see the link clearly between the two from your white paper. And this is what they said. That's a good question, so let me clarify. About half the funds collected from our global presale will be used to purchase and build a physical waste-to-energy installation, okay, our pilot project. This installation will directly clean the island from unwanted waste. Okay, so just so you know, Fuerteventura is an island off of Spain, okay? So they are located off of Spain, okay? And let's get back to the email. Later the part of the profit running the installation will be used to buy back carbo tokens from exchanges, boost their price, and burn them to create deflation. Okay, so what happens is they're using DeFi, and they're using the initial pump from the pre-sale, the funds collected from the pre-sale, to then create and build a waste to energy center. Okay, like this just big factory that takes waste and turns them into what's called syngas, or synthesized gas. Okay, this is stuff that I learned, right? And so they're literally taking all the trash and turning into this syngas. Well, this syngas is used in a lot of different industries and manufacturing and all this kind of stuff. So not really too clear on, I'm a little lizard brain. I'm just trying to get the gist of it. But they're using this syngas and they could sell it to these different industries, and it's cleaner and it's more proficient, and it creates a lot of profits. And they're using that profits to then buy back the carbo tokens from the exchanges and boost their price and burn them at create deflation. This way, both token and physical side will work together to help each other grow. Once our business model is established, we will grow worldwide. Hopes this helps. And then if anything else, please don't hesitate to get in touch. So I hope you understand that. So here's the general premise of this thing, right? So they are launching this pre-sale, and the funds that they're collecting in the pre-sale, half of that is going to build this massive power plant. Now, what does the massive power plant look like, Aaron? Well, I'm glad you asked. So it was on page, it was in the middle page here, and it's like a big factory. Okay, so this is what they're building. Like literally, they're gonna raise money, and I'm not sure how big of a factory they're gonna build. I don't know. I don't know the costs of this. Like they're having to equip them with this machinery that is it creates gas out of trash. Apparently, UHTG, it stands for ultra high temperature gasification. Okay, so I guess they burn things or something happens where they fully create it into gas. So there's apparently two processes, and so this sounds like, and there's they go into the nitty gritty of the machinery that is needed and the process that goes on. Honestly, is too much for my little brain to comprehend. And they're trying to build something like this. Okay. I got a few questions. Not sure if they're problems or not, but here's the thing. Here's the vegetables first, okay? I don't see, if this is the scale of which they're building, I don't understand. That's multi-million-dollar project. I don't know what the stuff goes for in Spain, and especially now during these crazy times, supply chains are backed up, labor's trying to hard to find, inflation's going crazy. I don't see them. I've just been through a building project. I built a $1.2 million building project. I was part of the team who built just a $1.2 million building project. It took us 2 years to do that. It was a school. I just did it. And it took us 2 years to do that. This seems so wildly complicated, and it's probably bigger than my little lizard brain can handle. But I don't see them raising enough money to create this plant. Because when they create this plant, they're going to take the proceeds from the plant. This is like a 3-year ordeal. This is 3 years out there. It's at blazing fast speeds, this is 3 years. I mean, this has got to be if I were to guess, it would take 5 years, honestly. If I were to guess how long does it take, it'd take 5 years. And so what they're going to do is they're going to build this plant. They're going to then bring all the waste in there. They said they're fully backed by the government, and the Fuerteventura is supporting them and blessing them, and then they're going to take the proceeds of that and buy back the DeFi token. Now we could go into a lot of this, but I mean, if you're investing in something like this, you should know that this is, in my opinion, right? This is just opinion. This is it needs a crazy team, okay? And here's the team. It fully docks people, which, by the way, I mean, they come with a lot of credibility. This guy's talking about how he's 15 years in and stuff like that, and Udo Abraham. So I'm not sure who this guy is. I mean, I don't know. It seems he's been in it for a while. It seems like he's fully doxxed. So I don't expect some kind of rug pull, maybe, but I don't expect it. And then he's got these teammates and their full names on there and their LinkedIn. So I see a fully doxed team. To me, we have to do our research on these guys, right? We have to do our research on where's Fuerteventura, where's Udo Abraham, who is this guy? We gotta. That's who, because half these crypto projects, they live and die on their teams. This is highly ambitious, and it's wildly early. You should know this. This is crazy early. So to me, it's like they're trying to accomplish. It's like revealing a bunch of stuff. It reveals like just how powerful raising money in DeFi is. It reveals like the nature or the entrepreneurial spirit of people who are getting into DeFi and who want to do something like clean the world. Like these guys, they're like one of the questions: why Fuerteventura? They live there. They love that. They love the place. They love the island. Why wouldn't they? You know what I mean? Like, and then they want to expand that to the world. And so it's a community-based token that is seeking to take the profits, build these little centers, create a physical business, and take the profits from the physical business back into DeFi for the burns, for the deflationary, for the buybacks, all that kind of stuff. We could go into look. I'm not the type of channel that just kind of reads the website and reads the white paper to you, but just so you know, this took some work. Like this took some work to understand. I had to go out and ask them. Like the average YouTuber is just gonna be like, okay, it's auto reflections for your life utility. They're just gonna see. I want you to read this, and if you're interested, you're gonna do your own research. But you should know that is the process. Anyways, guys, let's give away some money here. The last giveaway we had was on the crypto jackpot. They promised 2 winners of $50 a piece in the jackpot, and that buys you lifetime access to the jackpot. And so what was it is like you have to put crypto jackpot as an amazing project or whatever into the comments down below. So we're gonna take that and we have it in the YouTube comment picker, and I'm gonna pick 2 people. And so here we go. And you can see here jackpot is in there and it's going. And all right, so you won the first one, 41 Pratyush Gangly EAT. So there's the first one, and I'm gonna pick another one, and it's just gonna go, and we're gonna pick this. You guys win Aloshan Shanna. So Crypto Jackpot is the best project I ever seen. So do you guys have it? Oh, you guys don't have it. Put your BSC wallet addresses there, and then I'll send Crypto Jackpot. I'll send them your contact information, or at least those things, and we'll get you going. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. And for the future videos that I do here, we'll be doing more giveaways. So just keep on watching all the way through the end. I might start just doing it in the middle. There's nearly every video we're doing some kind of giveaway. We're either announcing a giveaway or finishing up a giveaway. It's fantastic what the Cowboys of Crypto channel has become. It's bigger than myself now. I'm just super excited to be a part of this with you guys along this journey to our next Bitcoin. Lizard Brains, getting the good projects, guys. Cowboys always ride together, and I'll see you in the next video.